Hello, Shakil speaking. Welcome to my full-blown MERN Stack episode. From today, we are gonna creating the MERN Stack full-blown e-commerce tutorial from scratch. So it will be an exciting journey. So stay tuned. So first of all, what we need to do, you need to a CLI command line interface. I am using CMD here, but you can use whatever you like. So first of all, create a folder. Say full stack or harness. Okay, full stack YouTube. Okay, and navigate to full stack YouTube. Open the code in VS Code. I am using VS Code. You can use anything according to your wishes. Okay. Okay, so this is our VS Code, and first of all you have to have some dependencies installed in your machine like Node.js. Say Node B, as I have already Node B and npm B, or you can use yarn. So if you don't have Node.js, just go to the official website of the Node.js and install it. This is plug and play, very simple. So I'm not going to show you that. This is very simple, plug and play. Okay, so as I have already, so what we need to do, we need to create two folder over here. Say one is server, another is client. Okay, so in this server folder, okay, navigate to the server. Okay, cd server and npm init why I'm initializing the server. I'm giving the y flag to avoid some answering some questions. Okay, this is the server. Okay, so now we need some dependencies like Express, nodemon.env, this sort of stuff. Why I'm telling you along with when I will progress everything. So npm install Express nodemon to concurrent. Express is the Express for Express server. Nodemon to concurrently run our server. .env to use the env file, and say mongoose. Okay, it will take little bit of time to install all the dependencies and check whether it has been installed successfully, perfectly. Okay, by this time what you can do, you can name it the change the default thing. Nothing is here. What's wrong? Package log.json, package.json, npm install express nodemon.env mongoose. Everything is all right, but no dependencies over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, give it a name, test. We are installing on second to start, and give it a nodemon index. You can give it index server or anything else. This is your main entity file, index.js. Okay, so install it once again for strong server. Npm install express, say press express. Npm install nodemon. It should be here pop up, but I don't know why. Oh yeah, it's coming. As has not been refreshed, so it's not showing. So .env, express, mongoose and nodemon, everything is all right. So now we need to create a folder over here, and this is the main entry file index. You can give it server, app, anything else, index.js. Okay, and index.js, say import express from express, import .env from .env, and create so const app equal to express .env.config. Okay, import m is missing. Type, you have to type it very carefully, and create the server. Okay, so const port equal to process .env dot port, or give it a default 7000 port. Okay, const const. Okay, now create the server. So app dot listen, support, and give it a callback function. console.log console.log, give it template literal. So server is running on port Okay, I think everything is all right. And what we need to do, create a env file over here, .env, and create another file, .git ignore, .git ignore, and env file, give port what we have declared, say 8000, and in git ignore file, ignore some files, say node modules and .env. This file will be ignored. Okay, I think we are all right. So if everything is okay, our server will start. Say npm start. All of this, something wrong. Mark it package, missing script. We have not saved it, so maybe. Oh, it's still here. So we need to give start. It's not getting start, and give it here node mon to concurrently run. If any save change, if any save take place, it will. We don't need to restart the server. It will automatically restart and show us the changes what we have done by saving. Okay, so index.js. Okay, I think this time we are all right. npm start, another wrong. Yes module, set type module. Okay, so as we are importing, not require, so if we use require, it will, okay, say require .env this type, so it will not create any problem as we are importing ES module. So we are using import, so we have to give here the declaration, say type Okay. Okay, server is running. So we are all right. Our server is up and running. So this is a quick recap. What we have done in the index, we gave the entry file and declare express.env to import the things from env file. And another thing is .env config express, and we are running our server. So we are running our server in port 8000, or you can use any port. If as a fallback, it will use as a 7000. So if any cause 8000, if it does not get, it will run in 7000 port. Okay, so our server is up and running. So no today. In the next tutorial, we are using another dependencies like mongoose, connecting our database, and course cross on origin resource sharing. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. This will be a wonderful journey. Give me a big thumbs up and stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon.